Hi guys, my name is Shaiwana and this is Cooking with Shaiwana. Okay, today we're going to be making tandoori chicken spring rolls. I'm going to show you how to make the filling. We are going to be using ready-made spring roll pastry and I'll show you how to roll them up. Okay, I'm going to be using 500 grams of boneless chicken, and in this I've put some Garam Masala, Javan seed, Cumin Seeds, you know, all the whole spices ground up, and some Tandoori Masala as well to give it that nice red effect and that flavor. I'm going to be putting some oil into a pan. This chicken has been marinated overnight just so that the chicken takes on all those flavors. But I'm going to put this chicken into my pan. It's got ginger, garlic, everything in it, but you'll have the recipe for this. I'm going to stir fry this for a few minutes. I'm going to leave it on low for about 10 minutes for it to cook through thoroughly. Right, so this I've stir fried this for about 5 minutes. I'm now going to put a lid on this and leave it on very low for about 10 minutes. It's been cooking for about 10 minutes now. I'm just going to take the lid off. As you can see, there's quite a lot of liquid in here. That's from the chicken. I'm going to turn up the heat and I'm going to dry this off completely. Once it's dry, I'm going to be leaving this to cool down completely. Right, okay, so the chicken has cooled down completely. I'm going to put it in the food processor and I'm going to blitz this until it goes quite fine. So now that goes in. I can get it finer than that, but I mean this is the right consistency. You want to actually get that, lumps of chicken. And now I've got about 3 medium onions, depends how you like your onions, very finely chopped. And I've got about 3 spring onions chopped and some fresh coriander and some green chilies, very, very finely chopped. Everything's got to be fine. In there, we've got to mix this well. Now's the time to taste and see if the salt's okay, if you want more green chilies in here, if you would like some more garam masala in here. This is the time to do it. Okay, I'm using this spring roll pastry. You can get it in any Asian store and even at the Chinese stores. Okay, you take one sheet, lay it out like this. And you get a tablespoon, a little bit more, that there, and then roll it tight like that. Okay. Bring up the sides, make sure it's nice and neat and equal, and then roll it up again. When you get to the edge, just take some water, just brush it there, and then just roll it over. That's all you have to do. So just put them in. I'm just going to put in 6. Leave them for a little while, don't turn them straight away. These spring onions can be made up and they can be frozen, so you can just take them out as and when you need them. At the moment we're fasting, so we're going to be having these fry with flour, which is quite handy. So very gently turn them over. As you can see, they're going golden brown. Okay, they're nice and golden brown, nice and crisp, so I'm going to take them out. Just drain off any excess oil. Put them on a kitchen towel. These are tandoori chicken spring rolls.